Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to talk about the backup system. And if you'll look in the files area, the first button you want to be concerned with is going to be the backup. You can also use the backup wizard in case you don't want to go formally through that process. So let's click the backup. Now all of these are going to give you a full website backup. Now none of these things are going to happen automatically. However, you can download a full website backup. You can download a partial website backup, a MySQL database backup, your download email forwarders backup. So basically everything to do with your website on this domain, you can back up and download to your hard drive. Now you will be able to store this for a particular period of time or until you need a restoration process. Now in the home section, you'll also see that there is a link here for file restoration. Now to use the file restoration, you'll need to have stored on your server a file or a series of files that you can use to back up. Now you'll want to check with your host to find out if this is something that you'll be able to do. However, even if you don't have this available, you can always download manually and place those files in your hard drive. Now if you want to walk through the system, what you'll need to do is to click the backup wizard. And then what you'll do is we'll be going through the same process that we looked at manually, except we'll be going through a step-by-step wizard. We can click the backup button, and if we have backups, we can click the restore button. However, we'll need to upload those files to our server that we have stored on our hard drive. Again, when we click the backup button, you'll see we have the same choices that we have in the manual use button. When we want to use the restore button, the same is true. We'll be going through the same process, and when we get ready, we'll need to pick up the files from our hard drive. For example, if we click the Restore Email Forwarders Filters backup, we'll need to have a previous backup that we have downloaded from our server that we can then upload to our server. Now, once again, if you're going to undertake this process, you'll want to make sure that this is something that your host does not do or will not do for you, and if this is actually going to be something that will work given your configuration with the host. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.